How's it going, everybody? February 17th, Merch by Amazon sales update. I'm just basically planning to do like a continuation of my video yesterday. If you haven't seen it, check it out. But since the 15th, Germany has been pretty much taking care of all of, well, let's say 70% of my sales. And it's continuing into today. Nothing crazy today, but yesterday I had 16 sales, and as you can see here, 6 in Germany and 6 in the US. So just the last 2.5 days, and I don't know how today is going to turn out and end. I'm assuming it's actually going to be a pretty good day, but just in the last, then let's actually pull this up right away. So from the 15th until today, across all the marketplaces, I've had 41 sales. So this is 2 days and a bit. I'm recording this around noon, so I think at the end of the day yesterday, I had for the past 2 days 35 sales. 30, yeah, that would make sense. 36 sales, because today so far I have 5. I have 3 in the US and 2 in Germany. So that's actually really good. So it's one, and again, like I said, I did explain this in the previous video, but I put out the video late last night, so not a lot of people actually saw it. So it was one product that started selling, and I think, and I'll pull that up as well. A couple of days ago, there were 14 sales of that just one product. I think it might be 12 or 14. So this brings me to a monthly total of 139, which is actually now slowly building up momentum to the point where it's going to be significantly better than January if it continues like this. And as you can see here, royalties are actually adding up. So I'm already past my, I believe, when it comes to international sales, way past my royalties for the entire month of January, and I'm about $100 short of my total U.S. Royalties. So I guess, and let's throw up that number that I mentioned. We'll look at the 15th is, I think, when all this started, and there it is. So 14 sales in Germany on the 15th. And yesterday there were 6, and today 2 so far. So again, like I mentioned, I don't know if somebody just shared that product listing page, with friends or something like that. I don't know why. Maybe it showed up on the front page for whatever reason. In Germany, I checked. There's no Amazon's tags or anything. I'm not advertising it. So this is all organic. And it's not so bad. So I guess what I'm trying to say is the last 2.5 days can really make a pretty big difference. And this is what I was talking about earlier when I was I think back in October and November. If you have one product that makes up 70% of your sales, it can be amazing because you can make a ton of money. But also when that stops selling, it can be pretty devastating to your numbers and your overall royalties and sales. So far, my 7-day average in the US is increasing, which is good on its own. My monthly total so far is actually looks like it's way ahead of January if we're looking at just being halfway through the month. Today's the 17th. And then my overall sales are actually picking up significantly, and it's mostly thanks to Germany, the German marketplace. So that's kind of where I am right now. I hope you guys are kind of experiencing similar things, because I really hope there's momentum in the upward direction from here. But who knows? Maybe we're just going to go back to regular sales in a day or two. Who knows? We'll see. Anyways, that's it. I'm going to do a short video. Thank you guys for watching. Talk to you soon.